Top 200 Secrets of Success by Robin Sharma. Secret number 116. Knowledge is power. People who have achieved great success are not necessarily more skillful or intelligent than others. What separates them is their burning desire and thirst for knowledge. The more one knows, the more one achieves. Great leaders have techniques to allow them to arrive at the top of the mountain. Read the biographies of world leaders and learn from their habits, inspirations, and philosophies. Cultivate the important practice of active role modeling. Secret number 117. All the answers to any questions are in print. How to improve as a public speaker, how to improve your relations with others, how to become fitter or develop a better memory. All aspects of personal development are dealt with in books. Therefore, in order to achieve your maximum potential, you must read daily. But in this age of information, you must be ruthless in what you consume. Focus on your goals and read only those materials that will be an asset to you. Do not attempt to read everything, for you are busy and have other tasks at hand. Choose what is important and filter out what is of no value. Begin with a solid newspaper every morning for an excellent summary of the key events of the day. Also ensure that your readings are broadly based. For example, perhaps you may wish to read history, business, Eastern philosophy, health books, etc. Then go to the library and develop the habit of making regular visits. Read the classics from Hemingway to Bram Stoker. Read history with all its lessons on life and read biology for a new perspective. Look under the heading of success at the library and you will be amazed at the literature you will find. Inspirational stories of people who developed greatness in the face of adversity, strategies for improving yourself physically, mentally, and spiritually, and texts to tap the unlimited power for success that certainly exists within us. Drink deeply from such books. Surround yourself with them and read them constantly, whether on the bus each day or before you go to bed. Let them inspire and motivate you. Secret number 118. Get into the habit of breakfast meetings. An early meal to touch base with a friend or business associate is a most pleasant way to start the day and allows you to maintain your contacts in the face of a busy schedule. Secret number 119. If you live in a flat, always ensure that it is very bright and has a swimming pool. A pool is especially important because it will allow you to exercise no matter how busy your schedule. There is nothing like a refreshing swim after a long productive day. You will feel excellent and sleep like a baby. Secret number 120. Excellence is an art won by training and habituation. We do not act rightly because we have virtue or excellence, but rather we have those because we have acted rightly. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act but a habit. Aristotle. Secret number 121. Today is yesterday's pupil. Benjamin Franklin. Secret number 122. If you have a choice of taking two paths, Always take the more daring of the two. Calculated risk taken often produces extraordinary results. Secret number 1 to 3. Every day, get away from the noise, the crowds, and the rush, and spend a few hours alone in peaceful introspection, deep reading, or simple relaxation. Secret number 1 to 4. That which any person who has walked this earth has achieved, you can achieve with the right mental attitude, perseverance, and industry. Limiting thoughts and weak mental images must be banished. One's focus must be on the attainment of goals that are truly important. Secret number 1 to 5. Get into the habit of memorizing beautiful poetry. Not only will it be a great source of entertainment, but it will quickly lift your intellectual functions to a higher level by improving your memory, concentration, and mental agility. Secret number 1 to 6. Keep your words soft and arguments hard. Secret number 1 to 7. Break the worry habit by putting things in perspective and laughing over small setbacks. Repeat to yourself that this will soon pass. Then take a sheet of paper, write out the worry on your mind, allot a certain period of time to think on it, isolate the precise problem, and formulate a powerful line of attack. By this practical technique, your negative, energy sapping habit will soon be a faint memory of the past. Secret number 1 to 8. Be known as that person who goes the extra mile, the person who works longer than others, the one who takes on the extra assignments and follows them through with great success. Be the person who always has concerns about others and who makes family members feel truly special. Be a standout, the one with a balance in both personal and professional excellence. Be a star that shines brightly for all others to admire. Secret number 1 to 9. Become a committed and sincere networker. Cultivate new friendships. You will truly be surprised where people end up over the years and how small, kind gestures will help you later on in life. Treat everyone who crosses your path as if they are the most important person in your world. You will certainly meet with great success.